Okay, so hello everyone, this is Anshuman and welcome to 2 Bikes, and today I'm going to discuss about something that came as a stock in my Apache RR310, and that is the Michelin Pilot Street Radial tires. Now in the RR310 it comes in 150/60 at the rear, 110/70 at the front, and before I actually talk about these tires, I would like to give you a glimpse of the kind of torture these tires have been through. And before that, I would also like to inform you that whatever product review we are going to do in this channel, first it is going to be available in the Instagram page, and that is 2 Bikes. So do check out our Instagram page. You can also ping us and we can have a good discussion regarding all about your queries. Now enough of Instagram promotion, let me give you a glimpse of the kind of torture these tires have been through. As you can see in this part of the video, I am doing something that I am not supposed to do, that is driving at 50 to 60 kilometers per hour on a completely bumpy and gravel road. And that's not it, I even tried to climb a steep hill which was completely full of rocks, and after all those fun, the tires were completely fine. There were no cut marks, no puncture, nothing. And apart from that kind of torture, these tires have also been used extensively on road. I have driven it as fast as 150-160 kilometers per hour for as long as 100 kilometers at a time. I have driven it in extreme wet conditions, and I have also covered 1100 kilometers in just 20 hours. Okay, so I have covered 17,000 kilometers in probably all sort of road conditions except snow, but what I'm trying to say is these tires have been extremely reliable, and the reason why I'm saying that is because I have never ever faced any sort of puncture or leakage in these tires. These tires have been extremely reliable. They have provided adequate grip in all sort of road conditions, but I'm afraid that's where the good part ends. You see, motorcycles like the Apache RR310 and the 390 series have so much potential to hit the corners at very high speeds and at really good lean angles, but these tires really don't do justice to RR310's handling capabilities. You see, you push it into a corner and after a certain point you feel that the tires are holding you back quite a lot. Even if you try to push it more, you feel like the tires are way out of his comfort zone and the tires will just give up, and that's a bummer for me because I love the RR310 for its handling, and you know this motorcycle can do a lot better, but the tires are just not giving you enough confidence. Okay, so we found out that these tires are a really good set of touring tires, but they are not the tires with whom you can have some fun. But does it mean you should really avoid these tires? Well, you see, these are touring tires, and if your intention is to do a lot of touring, these tires are absolutely the best. And there's another motorcycle on which I think these tires will go really good on, and that is the Dominar 400. You see, that's a very capable touring machine, and these are very capable touring tires. But for everyone else, and for bikes like this, the Apache RR310 or the 390 series, I really think Michelin Road 5 or the Apollo H1 will do a better job, a lot better job in fact. By the way, from Apollo H1, those are the new set of tires which I'm going to install on my Apache RR310. And you know the first impression is going to be first available in the Instagram, so do check out our Instagram page and let me know in the comment section below which tires you are currently using and which tires you think are the best. Thank you, stay safe and take care. And before I actually give a glimpse of the kind of torture these tires have been, I fucked up. Hello, start करो. हाँ कर दे. बंद कर दे. बंद कर लो. Okay, so now disturbance please. The good touring tires and not so good tires with. हाँ कोई तो फोनी. तू जहाँ कभी ना तू कहाँ कभी.